Warren Buffett, who is well known for having accumulated the majority of his wealth through stock investments, has stated that Tesla will see a sharp increase in growth. If you own stock in Tesla, I'm sure you're interested. If not, I recommend that you keep watching as you might learn something new about the company. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. And with the subscription buttons for more such stuff set, let's get started. Elon Musk, the controversial CEO of electric vehicle company, made fun of Warren Buffett's wealth in a lighthearted manner. To catch up to Buffett, he proposes that a billionaire invest in his electric car startup. Said in an interview that, despite not being a Tesla investor, he doesn't think less of Musk and his business and doesn't think less of Tesla. While Tesla is one of Wall Street's most controversial investments, its CEO, Warren Buffett, is one of the most successful and respected investors in the world. Tesla has always embraced a value investing approach for the market and rejected high-growth companies with high-profit multiples. For value investors like Warren Buffett, who has a reputation for closing transactions and staying with companies he understands, General Motors is a great option for stocks. Although Buffett's investment portfolio has owned a variety of shares in the company, gross margins are anticipated to decline as Tesla increases manufacturing of the more cheap model. Arguably, one of the strongest growth companies out there, Tesla stock is predicted to rise more steadily and consistently going forward as a result of the company implementing advanced business tactics. Even the most seasoned Wall Street experts find it difficult to predict when it comes to Tesla stock, which has seen many highs and lows, with more highs than lows. This is demonstrated by the brand's constant outperformance. Wall Street values the business after the newly launched Bill implant celebrated its first delivery on March 22nd in less than 3 weeks. The stock of Japan saw its final trading day of the year, March 14, at 766.37, a 36% decline from the year's high on January 3rd, the first trading day of 2022. Tesla's stock price started rising again. Tesla has succeeded in turning around a bad industry, a trend wherein a scarcity of computer chips in other regions has caused a major slowdown in total manufacturing. As you may have already concluded, the relationship between Buffett and Musk is very interesting. Musk recently responded to a Twitter thread by declaring that he was worth more than Buffett in Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates. Perhaps Buffett should invest in Tesla. Most people joke that, according to the Bloomberg Billion Index, the net worth of Tesla's SpaceX CEO at $236 billion is more than Berkshire Hathaway's. Hathaway Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, has praised Musk as a remarkable person, but he has also acknowledged that he can do better and should exercise greater caution when tweeting. Musk has also criticized Buffett in the past, admitting that he is not his biggest fan, questioning Buffett's compassionate grandfather persona, and referring to managing funds across Berkshire as a tedious task during an earnings call for the Tesla earnings report. Buffett's theory of economic strategies for long-term competitive advantages, like a well-known brand or patented technology, was called foolish by the CEO. He claims that a company's rate of innovation is the most important indicator of its competitiveness. And this is demonstrated by the way he runs Tesla, for which he is widely criticized. Elon Musk, according to the above, has the potential to complete the message transform a number of industries. The investor acknowledged that he is not a competitive innovator and made reference to Tesla's brilliance, but it would not be prudent to gamble against Elon Musk or Tesla. Buffett's assessment that Musk would be able to turn the tide on This year, the world is upside down. 2 new plants are likely to boost Tesla sales even further. With the recent launch of its Gigafactory in Austin, Texas Tesla has made great progress toward realizing its long-delayed goal of starting to produce its electric Cybertruck. To commemorate the launch, Tesla also recently hosted a cyber rodeo where attendees were asked to eat, drink, and pay homage to Elon Musk while enjoying great music. At the gathering, Tesla's Musk declared with vigor that the company was entering a new phase of its Destiny project and that there's no place like Texas where we can be gigantic. After the Fremont incident, the company planned to do something massive. California vehicle plan. New plant is the corporation's 4th location in the U.S. The other 2 are in Buffalo, New York, and Sparks, Nevada, respectively. This accomplishment happened less than 2 years after the company officially moved its headquarters from California to the new Gigafactory is expected to increase Tesla's capacity in the United States, which was previously limited by space constraints at the company's facility in Fremont. The Musk announced Austin would be the location of the new Gigafactory. California, according to Musk, the business's manufacturing in California was overflowing. Tesla is anticipated to announce its first quarter sales data any moment. Global sales are anticipated to resemble the 308,000 cars sold in the fourth quarter, representing a 67% rise over the first quarter of 2021 and covering the entirety of the reason for minimal supply. The stock market is an anticipatory system, meaning that stock prices represent investors' consensus expectations at any given time. Every major manufacturer, including GM, in which Boxer has a stake, has sold or will offer reasonably priced electric vehicles due to its manufacturing infrastructure. GM is in a solid position to provide this hardware in the United States because it has powertrain factories. Edmunds and Cox Automobile predicts that new car sales in the United States will decline by 15 percentage points compared to the same period last year with record price levels. While Tesla's industrial infrastructure is insufficient to compare, this two major company has 7 factories in China, 4 assembly facilities in Mexico, and 1 in Canada. It also has 6 metalworking centers, 4 component holding centers, 1 tooling center, and 1 battery assembly plant. By building several forts, they spread their bets. Some similarities between the two companies' approaches that they are not as dissimilar as originally thought. In this period of limited supply, Tesla and its stock are currently performing better than many had predicted. This is the end of the video. We sincerely hope you learned something from it. Elon Musk has shown investors and the financial world that innovation is the most important indicator of a company's competitiveness. It is only natural that many investors, including Warren Buffett, expect Tesla's growth to continue. The company has only just begun, and it has a front-row seat to the future we are about to evolve into. Forecasts indicate that in 2026, sales from electric vehicles will account for 57% of the company's total revenue. Their profit margins will, nevertheless, be much smaller than those of the robotic taxi industry. This is a result of ARK's increased faith in Tesla's autonomous driving capabilities. Despite the company's earlier claims that it would not be feasible for Tesla to offer autonomous ride-hailing, more encouraging developments have shown that they must learn about the strategic integration of the robotaxi sector. They also firmly believe that by 2024, Tesla will introduce ride-hailing services for autonomous vehicles on a commercial basis. The updated model that investors have chosen to use improves Tesla's capital efficiency. Moreover, it was estimated that in 2025, Tesla will have to pay between $2,000 and $7,000 for each extra capacity unit. A video to assist you in making decisions about your future investments. Let us know in the comments below how much you think Tesla's stock will rise or fall, and don't forget to press the like button. Additionally, to subscribe buttons, we appreciate your time, and we'll see you in our upcoming video.